In this video, I'll detail how to enable airplane mode on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch with cellular and GPS, then you can easily turn on or enable airplane mode on your Apple Watch. With this, you'll be able to disconnect your Apple Watch from connecting to your network provider. And once you are done, you can easily come back and disable the airplane mode on your Apple Watch. So if you are done on this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Mark you, there are two approaches you can use to turn on or enable airplane mode on Apple Watch. The first approach, all you just need to do is click on the digital crown to exit the watch face. Then locate the settings icon on your Apple Watch. So once on the settings page, just want to scroll down. Until you get to airplane mode, go ahead and click on that. Then here, to enable airplane mode, just turn on airplane mode, this. And that's going to disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your Apple Watch. So that's one of the ways to enable or turn on airplane mode on Apple Watch. Alternatively, if you don't want to go this far before you enable or turn on airplane mode on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press the control center button beneath the digital crown, like this. Then on this page, just scroll down. You should see the airplane mode icon. Go ahead and click on that. And once you click on that, once you see airplane mode on, then if you go back to your Apple Watch settings, then scroll to airplane mode, click on it, then you should see the airplane mode enabled. So that is how you can easily enable or turn on airplane mode on Apple Watch. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.